Okay, so we've got the clutch components in this 154 Loboy, all new drive shaft, all new engine coupler, new bearing there with set screw locking collar, new pressure plate, and new flywheel back here, and a new clutch brake buttons and bolt assembly on top. The throwout bearing and the pressure plate, the pressure plate and throwout bearing are original, new clutch disc and new flywheel. So what I've got here, I've adjusted this thing by the book. Then I talked to Bob at Hamilton Bob's. He said due to wear and the linkage over the years, you can't adjust them by the book and expect them to work right. So you need to adjust the clutch to where the fingers and the throwout bearing are touching, pushing in somewhere between 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch, 5/16 to 3/8 of an inch. And I've got it there. It's pushing. Now my clutch pedal is sitting on top of this stop. It really needs to be right here. It's bent a little bit, but you can see that I'm sitting, even when I go beyond the stop, it's still touching those fingers. And I've got it adjusted out. I'm not at the end of the roll, but you can see that it's not extending beyond that yoke, but I'm getting close to the end. So let me start it up for you and show you that the clutch is not releasing at all. Okay, just show you this piece here. Okay. Pull back on the spring there. That's set at about 10/1000ths of an inch, best I can tell. I put a feeler gauge in there, and 10/1000ths goes in there fine without too much of a bind. But we're gonna start it up. Sure does run nice and smooth and true. Now, I'm going to smash the clutch, and nothing. I do not have the washers in the pressure plate to space it out yet. But you can see also, I don't have a lot of movement on my clutch. So try to help me out on where we need to begin. And I will mention that the throwout bearing fork is the one that is curved, and I've got it curved toward the front where it connects to the clutch linkage. I was told that's for one with a creeper gear, which this one doesn't have. You can see in there, you can see how it's curved forward. If that's my problem, then we can change the fork out, but this thing has ran with that fork, and I presume we can adjust it out and make it work just fine. So you just let me know. Thanks.